Hey everyone, welcome back to another session. So in the last session, we actually created another function which was get mac, and in this function we have to provide a variable for the interface. And what it was doing, it was like searching for the regular expression for our MAC address, and it's returning our MAC address. And we actually print the current MAC. We actually made a variable named as current MAC, and then we print the current MAC accordingly. So if, let's say, I'm going to run this command, my MAC changer.py. So let's provide it an interface with ETH0, and MAC address could be anything. So first of all, I'll check what is my MAC address right now. Sorry. My MAC address is 000A0B0C0D. So what? Let's run the program again and see if it's working or not. So Python 3 minus I. Oh, sorry, MAC changer minus I ETH0 interface. And my sim is the new MAC address which you want. Let's go with 00112233445. It is showing the current MAC address, but our MAC address is already changed. Now, the thing is actually want to print the result that the MAC address is successfully changed, and I have to like compare the earlier string which I've entered, and if it's same as my MAC address, then it doesn't need to be changed. Then it doesn't need to be executed, of course, because it's already the same one. So I need to print all of these things, and we can do it easily by expanding our conditional statements. Let's go to this one and let's see what it's doing. It's saying length of argument is equal to 17. Then it will print this. So let's say lf, and let's go for if and current MAC equals args dot new MAC. Then it should normally say MAC address is already MAC. All right, and if no, now I want a last printing statement, which would be after this program is executed. So what I'm going to do here, I have to remove this line. When this is printed, then I'll just do again, like I'll make this variable again, and again I'll take the data from the get MAC address function, and I'm going to provide here my interface, which is args.interface. And now let's do this. If this is executed, then execute this current MAC again and print successfully changed MAC address to let's add current MAC over here. Let's save and let's run. So let's check the IP address again, and this is 0011. Let's put the IP address same, and let's try to do it. And it says MAC address is already 001122. So we need to enter another MAC address, another new one. Let's put 000A, 0B, 0C, 0D, and now it says successfully changed MAC address. Okay, actually we didn't change well, let's change MAC address to this one. So thank you guys for watching.